Situated at TECNOPUC in Rio Grande do Sul, one of the biggest technological hubs of Latin America, RPH Pharma made a high investment to amplify its manufacturing plant. RPH Pharma is a pioneer in the country. It is the first national pharmaceutical industry which complies with distribution, commercialization, and distribution activities of nuclear medicine kits. It is the biggest private source in this niche of products in Brazil, supplying 90% of the market. Its rigorous criteria of quality control targeting the patient security have allowed RPH Pharma Good Manufacturing Practices certificate given by Anvisa. This excellence, both on manufacturing as well as on delivery, always following the regulatory procedures, has resulted in a need of expansion of its production plant. To increase its research projects on developing and on increasing its participation on international markets. Now, the new RPH Pharma Administrative Department. Production. With the production plant expansion, we have increased our capacity over more than 100,000 lyophilized vials per month. Quality Control Department. The Quality Control Laboratory uses techniques and standards according to the rules and regulations of analysis, and it has a high qualified work team. Quality Guarantee Department. RPH is always on constant evolution, creating products and innovative services, investing on technology, aiming to offer the best nuclear medicine service of the country. We are always one step ahead, so the health professionals can have today the technology that only tomorrow's offers. Grupo RPH, the tomorrow that today deserves.